Hello friends, this is Savita Shinde, working as an assistant professor at Kekewa College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. First of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Sharing Knowledge of Agriculture. In this video, we are going to discuss about fertilizers and classification of fertilizers. Let us see what is fertilizer. Any natural or synthetic organic material, dry or liquid, added to the soil in order to supply one or more essential plant nutrients is nothing but fertilizer. When fertilizers are sold on a large scale, they are called as commercial fertilizers. Classification of fertilizers. First type is straight fertilizer and next one is complex or compound fertilizers. When a fertilizer contains a single nutrient, it is called as a straight fertilizer. For example, urea, which contains only nitrogen, and that nitrogen is about 46% in urea. Second one is complex or compound fertilizers. When a fertilizer supply two or more nutrients, that fertilizer is called as complex or compound fertilizers. Examples of complex or compound fertilizers are diammonium phosphate, which contains about 18 kg nitrogen, 46 kg P2O5, and the remaining 36 kg is inert material. Let us see the classification of fertilizers according to major nutrient content that are classified as nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers, and potassic fertilizers. Classification of nitrogenous fertilizers. Nitrogenous fertilizers may be classified into four groups on the basis of chemical form in which nitrogen is combined with other elements within the fertilizer. First group of nitrogenous fertilizers is nitrate fertilizers. Nitrogen is combined as nitrate with other elements. For example, sodium nitrate, which is having 16% of nitrogen, and another example of nitrate fertilizer is calcium nitrate, which is having 15.5% of nitrogen. Second group of nitrogenous fertilizers is ammonium fertilizers. In these fertilizers, nitrogen is combined in ammonium form with other elements. Examples of ammonium fertilizers are like ammonium sulfate having 20% nitrogen, ammonium phosphate having 20% nitrogen plus 20% P2O5, or 16% nitrogen and 20% P2O5. Third example of ammonium fertilizers is ammonium chloride having 24 to 26% of nitrogen. Next example is anhydrous ammonia, which is having 82% of nitrogen. Then ammonia solution having 20 to 25% of nitrogen. Third group of nitrogenous fertilizers is nitrate and ammonium fertilizers. These fertilizers contain nitrogen in the both form, that is nitrate and ammonium form. Examples of nitrate and ammonium fertilizers are ammonium nitrate having 33 to 34% of nitrogen. Next is calcium ammonium nitrate having 26% of nitrogen. Third example of nitrate and ammonium fertilizers is ammonium sulfate nitrate having 26% of nitrogen. Fourth group of nitrogenous fertilizers is amide fertilizers. These fertilizers contain nitrogen in amide form, having example urea, which is having chemical formula that is CONH2 twice, having 46% of nitrogen. Next example of amide fertilizers is calcium cyanamide having 21% of nitrogen, and you can see the image of calcium cyanamide. After nitrogenous fertilizers, let us see phosphatic fertilizers. The plant nutrient content of all phosphatic fertilizers is expressed in terms of percentage of phosphorus pentaoxide, that is P2O5. Classification of phosphatic fertilizers. The phosphatic fertilizers can be classified into three groups depending on the form in which orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid is combined with calcium. First group is phosphatic fertilizers containing water-soluble phosphoric acid or monocalcium phosphate. Examples are single superphosphate having 16 to 18% of P2O5, double superphosphate 32% of P2O5, triple superphosphate 46 to 48% of P2O5, and last example is ammonium phosphate, which is having 20% nitrogen and 20% P2O5, or 16% nitrogen and 20% of P2O5. Second group of phosphatic fertilizers is phosphatic fertilizers containing citric acid soluble phosphoric acid or dicalcium phosphate. Having examples basic slag, which is having 14 to 18% of P2O5, dicalcium phosphate 34 to 39% of P2O5, and third example is Rhenania phosphate. Then third group of phosphatic fertilizers is phosphatic fertilizers containing phosphoric acid which is not soluble in water or citric acid. This group is also called as insoluble phosphoric acid, or it is also called as tricalcium phosphate. Having examples rock phosphate 20 to 40% of P2O5, raw bone meal 20 to 25% of P2O5 and 3 to 4% of nitrogen. And third example is steamed bone meal, which is having about 22% of P2O5. After nitrogenous and phosphatic fertilizers, let's move towards potassic fertilizers. Potassium is a soft gray metal. On exposure of the air, it rapidly oxidizes to K2O. Potassium is absorbed by the plant in the form of K plus ions. Classification of potassic fertilizers. The potassic fertilizers classified into two groups. First group is fertilizers having potassium in chloride form, and second group is fertilizers having potassium in non-chloride form. Let's see the fertilizers having potassium in chloride form, where the most common fertilizers like muriate of potash, that is KCl. This fertilizer is cheaper than all other potassic fertilizers. Then, in case of fertilizers having potassium in non-chloride form, examples are sulfate of potash magnesia, and potassium nitrate. So friends, in this video, we have discussed about classification of fertilizers and meaning of fertilizers. In that, we have learned the nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers, and potassic fertilizers. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you.